The Porsche 911 Turbo S is the quickest, most capable new offer you can buy without an RS badge on the back. It'll take a licking and keep on ticking. Here's 5 things you need to know. With 580 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive, the 911 Turbo S will rocket to 60 miles an hour in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars you can buy today. Power comes on fast and hard, and its 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox swaps gears effortlessly, while the 3.8-liter twin-turbo 6 growls loudly, but not too loudly. The steering is heavy, but it only takes a hint of input to get the 911 Turbo S to start turning in. Standard 4-wheel steering provides an impressively small turning circle at low speeds while lending stability at high-speed maneuvers. It's like a yappy little dog responding with energy at all hours of the day or night. This yellow paint doesn't exactly scream demure, but the Turbo S has surprisingly few standout exterior features except for some large air intakes and center-locking wheels. Inside, it's cozy but comfortable with standard bolstered sports seats and plenty of physical buttons. As always, the back seat is all but useless. The 911 still runs the old version of Porsche's PCM infotainment system, but it's been upgraded with some new tricks. Apple CarPlay is standard, as is a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. There's also a configurable display nestled in the gauge cluster, offering quick access to audio, random vehicle data, and even a small navigation map. With a starting price of $190,700, the 911 Turbo S is a big money car, but thankfully a lot of good kit comes standard. In terms of price against its competitors, it is more expensive than the Mercedes-AMG GT, and it's about on par with the McLaren 570S, but it is a little bit cheaper than the Lamborghini Huracan. Now that's some solid company. Now this video is only the tip of the 911 Turbo S iceberg. To get the full lowdown on this car, including why I believe it is perpetually bored with humanity, feel free to check out the full written review at theroadshow.com.